bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce these French expression to encourage French teams in sports. That's generally how it's used. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing French vocabulary and names. Stay tuned. Allez les bleus is how you say it in French, okay? Allez les bleus. Allez means come on or go. Les bleus is the blues, because the French team is generally dressed in blue, okay? So it means come on blues, go for it, go and win. Allez les bleus, it's often chanted as Allez les bleus in stadiums. Allez les bleus. The S is silent to les and bleu. Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more interesting pronunciations. Sorry. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci.